Hey friends, let's do the Strokes guitar lesson by Billy Squier. I'll talk you slowly through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab to make it easier to follow along. So let's make a start. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're going to start on this F power chord. So 8, 10 and 10, we're just going to slide up 2 frets and then play it 3 more times. So slowly. Then come back to the C power chord, 3rd, 5th and 5th, and do the same, slide up 2 frets and play another 3 times. Then go back to the first one. Then we just play the A power chord, 0, 2 and 2. 3rd fret on the E string, 1st fret on the E string, and then the open E string. Now for this next part, what we call the instrumental, there's actually 2 guitars playing. One guitar's just doing all the power chords, so we've got the D power chords. And then the second guitar is doing all the little fills, but we're going to combine the 2 together. We're going to start on the D minor chord, but just play the 5, 7 and 7. Then play 7 on the G, 6 on the B. Play it again and then pull off from the 6 on the B to the 5. And then we're just going to play that D power chord again, but we're going to go up, down, up, and then do that little fill again. Then do the D again, we're going to do an up, down, little fill again. And then just finish on C, G, then go back to start again. Now put 2 mutes in here, and then G, F, and that's our little instrumental. Then we have the verse, we play that for you. So we're going to start on this D minor again, on just a D power chord 2 times, again 2 times, then 1, then just go to G, F, then do the D once, another 2 times, 1 more time. Now we have this little fill and we're going to palm mute this. We have A string, 3, 5, open, 3, open, then jump to the D string, 3, and back to the A string, 5 there. So we're not palm muting the last 3 and 5 there. So slowly. And that's our verse there. Then we have our pre-chorus, so we play that for you. So this is nearly exactly the same as our intro, except we're starting on the low F power chord, sliding up 2 frets to the G and play it another 3 times. Then do the C to the D. Now this time come up to the F, but this is going to be an F over C because we're going to play that bottom E string. So we're going to have 8, 8, 10 and 10, slide up 2 frets and do the same again. Then come back to our A power chord, E string, 3rd fret, 1st fret, open, and that's our pre-chorus there. Then we have our chorus, let me play that. Then So we're going to start on the C, slide up 2 frets to the D, stop, play D again 2 times, then just play our G, F, do that again, C, D, stop, D again. Now we have this little slide. We're just going to play the 5 on the A, the 7 on the D, and just slide back from 5 and 7 to 3 and 5. Then we do the first one again, 3, 5 to 5, 7, D again, G, F, then we have our C to D again, D, then we have this little run, D string, 3, open, A string, 3, open, 3, open, and E string, first fret there. And that's our chorus there. From there we go back to our little instrumental bit, similar to what we did at the start, so let me play that for you. Now the only difference here is we play the first part all the same. Now before we go to the C, G, we put the open A in there. So we put that open A, and then the second time through, we don't put the mutes before the G and the F, and that's the only difference there. So let's play that one more time. Then from there we just go back to the verse, do that exactly the same. Back to the pre-chorus, we do that exactly the same. Then we go to our chorus, but this time we end on the D, so we do a little run down. Then we don't play for 4 bars. Then we go back to the instrumental part, but do it the same way we did the second time with the A to the C, G, and no palm muting before the G and the F. Then just go back to the verse, do that the same. The pre-chorus, and then after the pre-chorus we just play the C to the D for our next chorus, and then we don't play for 7 bars, and then we have this last chorus. Let me play that for you. So this time we're starting, we play the C, G, then we do our C, come up to D, D 2 times. Now do our little slide, our 5, 7, back to 3 and 5. Now play C, G, then repeat that again, C, D, stop, D, do our little slide again, and then G, F, repeat the first one again, C, D, D 2 times, our slide, C, G, and then our C, D, our D, and the run down we did at the end of the last chorus, 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 0, 1. And they're all the parts to the song. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the stroke guitar lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.